Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious pad thai noodle with tofu. This is really quick and easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching this delicious recipe video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So here I'm taking a tofu. You can use as much as you like. I'm just using half of it, and cut it according to your preference. So I have cut it in a small to medium size of squares. Now I'm going to saute this tofu. I'm not adding any flavor to this today, just plain tofu I'm sauteing, but you can add any sauce you like. I usually add soy sauce and brown sugar and salt to give nice brown color and taste to it, but today I'm just sauteing plain. Saute until it gets nice golden from all the sides. My tofu are ready and cooked. As you can see, it's getting nice brown from all the sides. Today I'm doing a review of these healthy noodles, and this comes in a 6-pack, and this is available at Costco in the refrigerator section. Perfect for keto diet. As you can see, carbs is 6 and dietary fiber is also 6 grams. So when we open, I'll show you the package. Looks like this. Pretty easy instruction. Open package. Rinse with water, hot, warm or cold. You can enjoy it whatever way you prefer. So straightforward, no need to soak or boil. So let's just make this and see how it is. Here I'm taking 3 tablespoons of palm sugar. If you cannot find palm sugar, you can use brown sugar as well. And this is in a quantity I'm showing you guys, so we need to use very little amount of it. Now into that I will add 2 tablespoons of tamarind concentrate. And into that 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. I'm going to add chili flakes to it. This is optional again. If you like spice, you can add it. And here I'm going to stir it very well until this palm sugar dissolve completely, or if you're using brown sugar, let it dissolve completely. And we are going to use just a little amount of sauce from this. And here I'm using julienne cut carrot, onion, green chilies and garlic, but you can use whatever you have on hand. I will add a little bit of oil. Once my oil heats up, I will add chopped garlic. Now add green chili, carrot and onions. Stir it on a high flame. Now I will add tofu. And into this I will add sauce that I have prepared. Add little by little as you need it. I will try to keep it dry noodle. And now time to add our noodles to it. And mix it well. Into this, before I mix, I will add a little bit of sauce. More sauce to it. Mix it. Let it just cook for a few seconds. You can add spring onions to it. Gives nice good color to it and taste as well. I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro. This is optional. I like the flavor of it, so I'm adding it. Look at this delicious looking noodles. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.